Hey guys, in this video today we are going over how to fix your low back pain that you may have after doing yoga. There's some modifications that I'm going to show you so we don't have to take yoga away from you, but something to do in the meantime in certain positions that might be causing your low back pain, and just modifying it for a little while and then slowly introducing those things back in later on down the road might work for you. Okay, so stick around in this video if you guys want to know a little bit more about that. My name is Dawn. I work at Performance Place Sports Care in Orange County, California, and I am just one part of the locally world famous chiropractors here in Orange County. And if you guys liked this video, if what I have to say worked for you, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear it. There is a little P around the video as well somewhere that you can click on that will take you to our YouTube channel where you can like and subscribe. Please subscribe because then you'll get notifications on when we have more videos coming out on how to fix your low back pain. This video here is just one part to a whole series that we have been doing on how to fix it. Exercises, stretches, educational videos on what to do for your low back pain. So please check it out, take advantage of that, and let's get into it, okay? So I'm gonna share a little story about a patient that I'm actually currently dealing with. She came in with just general low back pain, maybe a little bit into the top glute on the right side, that she is noticing yoga has been making it worse. She's been doing yoga for years and it's never been an issue. But for some reason, it's causing her pain now. She has pain with forward folding. She has pain with downward dog, and she has pain with sitting for long periods of time, okay? So what we did is, I don't want to take yoga away from her. Yoga is something that she loves to do in her everyday life. It is a stress reliever for her. It's her exercise. It keeps her mentally sane. So instead, we go through the movements that she notices is causing pain. Okay, so forward fold hurts. Let's do it. So she did a forward fold, okay? She said, yes, I have pain right here. Bend your knees for me. That feels better. Okay, straighten them back out. That hurts again. Okay, so how about just for a little while the body is healing, we just, as we're forward folding, I need you to just bend your knees for now, okay? So we took forward folding with knees straight away from her for maybe a week and a half. That's all we needed to do. Well, not all we needed to do. We did other things in the meantime, but that allowed her to be able to still do some of her movements, just a little bit modified to help her in the meantime, okay? She also had pain with downward dog. Some of us are really good about getting into downward dog and being able to keep our knees straight. If you guys also have pain with this, try doing knees bent. So downward dog position, keeping knees bent like so, okay? When you guys get into that position, just play with that a little bit. You'll notice that my back is a little bit flatter here and it won't be causing any sort of irritation as well, okay? So those are two modifications that I used for her. Those may be modifications that would work really well for you. Another thing that she noticed actually helped with her pain when she was in the office here is cobra poses. So we put her on her belly and she did 20 reps of these. Hold, breathe at the top, come back down. She's not holding sustained movement. She's just holding for a second and doing reps of them, okay? So she did 20 of those, tried her forward fold again, and it really helped with her pain about 50%. That's best case scenario, and that might be what works for you guys as well, but you have to try it to know, okay? From there, we did a couple of strengthening exercises. We modified a couple of other things for her yoga. We slowly introduced that stuff back in. About 2 to 3 weeks now, she's feeling a whole lot better, okay? So, again, you guys, if this video was helpful for you, if some of this stuff worked for you, please leave a comment below. We want to hear, okay? Where do you go from here? What are those exercises and stretches that I did with her to help her get back to what she wanted to do? Check out the videos on our channel, you guys, and also there's a free gift that's gonna pop up on the video somewhere, a link that you can click on. If it doesn't, it's in the description below. It says free gift. Take advantage of it. People always ask us, your video helped, but I wanna know where to go from here. That is the next step for you guys. Please just click on it, check it out. It's gonna be great for you, okay? And also, if you want us to help guide you through this, if you don't want yoga taken away from you and you just wanna know where to go from here, you have other issues, or you just have some questions, please reach out to us. We have an email that you can email us at, call us, chat with us. We'd love to hear from you. We are seeing people in person. We are seeing people virtually. We have online programs. Completely up to you and what you are looking for, but what you have to do is reach out to us so that we know, okay? Talk to you guys soon.